But wait, there's more. And so with the lighting, we've been talking about studio light and how um, setting that up for effects to get the best shape out of our geometry, and which really leads into the next topic of how do we add light to enhance our effects. And so I want to play this one animation here, and I'm gonna set this so it just plays once and stops. And there we go, and play large. So it starts off with our same lighting, and then we have the jet backing up over the man, the camera going through the front wheel, and then we have the jet breaking apart with light. And the thing that I want to point out with this is that so we have fire here, but we have fire without fire. We have only light creating this fire effect. And uh, when I look at a lot of people put effects reels together, and even some shots that make it into movies. Like one of the common characteristics of a bright fire in the real world is that you might shield your eye away from something being very bright to look at. And a lot of people when they make their reel, they have the fire, the glow, the fiery, billowy, whatever, and then the smoke that goes along with it, but they don't have an actual sense of light. And so here is what I when I did this demolition, um, I put in a few objects in there that broke apart and inside various parts of the airplane, and uh, they're used to control the light, and the intensity of the light is controlled by the velocity or the speed of the moving object. And so I use the velocity of the moving object to create a speed attribute, and that speed became a multiplier for the light. And so I get some like free animation work done for me by that. So we can see that I mean, it would obviously look better or more realistic if there's a fire in there, like actual fire and an actual like black billowing smoke, as you can see in a lot of aircraft fires like this. Don't look at the braking of this jet. This braking has nothing to do with reality. It's not braking along the natural seams of the areas of weakness of the airplane. So it's just kind of breaking apart randomly, or controlled it in the middle, but not breaking it apart. I guess we would say more realistically. But the light effect sure has an effect on how that looks as an effect. And so if we just play this back from here, we can see we got our studio lighting, and then we got bang this extra light coming from inside the object, and um, and so because this is a short course about lighting, it's really important to not neglect the use of actual light in enhancing your effect. So, and that's all I got to say about that.